Today in crypto. Conceal Network allows users to take charge as it launches Conceal Hub. Users can communicate, create and share fiat, and also collect interest on with its native coin. CCX users control the private keys to their funds. Communication is a central point of life. Secure communication is even better. As such, the evolving nature of the digital world is breeding the ground for more advancement. Decentralized blockchain-defiant private messaging platform Conceal Network launches more sophisticated privacy-proof services for its users. Conceal Network announces its integrated, cohesive, intuitive UI application that combines all endpoints of the Conceal Network ecosystem. Conceal Hub is a collection of various modules that work together to enable Conceal Network secure defiant communication tools. These include the Cloud Wallet Idaho, Pay, Bridge, Deposits, Explorer, and Clive. Altogether, Conceal Hub ensures privacy by supplying an authentication key-based method that gives users access to create and retrieve wallets even when they do not have a user account prior. This tactic cancels the requirement for account details like an email address or password. Furthermore, all communications on Conceal are peer-to-peer and end-to-end encrypted. Users can transfer, accept payments, exchange messages, earn interest on deposits. One enthralling fact about Conceal Network is that it allows users to have total ownership. On top of that, they can create and distribute fiat currency, collect interest, and communicate without a central figure. Meanwhile, the blockchain of Conceal Network has a dynamic block size mechanism, DBSM, that supports large amounts of transactions. Due to Conceal Network not having an owner, development of the network and funding is voluntary. In this way, the privacy and liberty of users is ensured. In addition, Conceal Network's native coin, CCX, runs on a secure peer-to-peer decentralized network built on the Cryptonote protocol. CCX works on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum blockchain. Here, users have full control of the private keys of their funds. To add on, the smart coin trades on Bitmart, Stex, TradeOgre, and Hotbit. Continue reading on CoinQuara. Babylon's marketplace has just announced an exclusive NFT offering in collaboration with Monsters Clan, one of the most anticipated P2E games on Binance Smart Chain, BSC. The event, starting on the 21st of October, will provide users with one-time, exclusive access to a wide range of in-game items including lands, labs, caves, monsters, potions, feeds, coin boxes and more, which will be airdropped as playable and transferrable NFTs in the game on November 15, 2021. These items can be used in Monsters Clan's innovative, engaging battle mode, and be traded as well as rented to generate passive income via Monsters Clan's one-of-a-kind NFT renting feature, innovating the whole ecosystem. Following the huge success of their first ENO in collaboration with Pocoland, this exclusive NFT offering marks another big step for Babylons in their bid to become the go-to NFT marketplace and launchpad platform for blockchain gaming companies. Remarkably, the Pocoland Dino took the attention of serious global news media like Business Insider, despite having no entry requirements. This time around, the company has announced that participation will be available only to Babylon's community members with over $1,000 Bobby in their wallet, or, alternatively, staked in native Babylon staking pools, at the time of purchase. This offering marks the beginning of a detailed ENO tier system for the platform, where community members will be enjoying even more privileges while joining early-stage NFT sales for the most anticipated P2E games on BSC. The platform also announced plans to integrate with other chains in the very near future. About Babylon's marketplace. Babylon's is a pioneering next-gen community-governed NFT marketplace and a leading blockchain gaming aggregator on BSC with low gas fees, fast transactions and an easy-to-use minting platform where a user can create green NFTs, collect from amazing artists and trade their favorite gaming NFTs with other players while being involved in a fully functional DAO that uses the $Bobby governance token to operate, get rewarded as well as socialize in a colorful, highly engaging community. About Monsters Clan. Monsters Clan is a highly anticipated NFT game that lets players collect, raise, trade and battle with their monsters while earning on the BSC ecosystem. The game features real-time battles with full player control that allows for different strategies and real, engaging gameplay. In addition, the game introduces a unique and groundbreaking NFT renting feature, which lets players generate passive income on Binance Smart Chain. Babylon's social links: Telegram, media contact company, Babylon's contact name, Egamenhokaglu mail, business@babylons.io website, Monsters Clan social links website, media contact company, mail, media@ARK Capital website. Disclaimer: any information written in this press release does not constitute investment advice. CoinQuara does not, and will not endorse any information on any company or individual on this page. Readers are encouraged to make their own research and make any actions based on their own findings and not from any content written in this press release. CoinQuara is and will not be responsible for any damage or loss caused directly or indirectly by the use of any content, product, or service mentioned in this press release. Continue reading on CoinQuara. Blockchain-based trade finance platforms are already changing the world. In this article we will explore their key benefits and will explain why you should start testing this new model now. The traditional model is already outdated. There are always many participants involved: sellers, buyers, banks, insurance and logistics companies, etc. And everyone has to interact with each other. In addition, lots of emails, documents and communication implied. Error correction and waiting takes a huge amount of time. Many processes are difficult to manage fast and to synchronize with each other. This number of documents affects the cost and time required to prepare, verify, transfer and sign them. Paper documents are often associated with fraud and forgery. In addition, COVID-19 has impacted various stages of financial trade, including business meetings, negotiations, document transfers, personal signatures and shipments. Everything is going in favor of using blockchain in financial trading. And this is another consequence of the pandemic. It provoked an increase in digitalization in all areas, including trade. Blockchain technology allows people to trade at a lower cost and with speeds much faster than before. Trade cryptocurrency with MetaTrader 5. What is MetaTrader used for? Exness MetaTrader is a popular online trading platform that you can use to automate your trading. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, its simple interface gives you access to advanced technical analysis and flexible trading systems. Today, Exness MetaTrader is the world's leading platform to trade in the financial market, and you can download it on the Exness website. About 95% of the forex brokers advise this platform on their websites. MT5 has become a key tool for crypto traders. It is increasingly becoming the trading platform for crypto exchanges. The recent innovation MetaTrader 5 provides the trader with an impressive set of features that provide bigger freedom in navigating the financial markets and help to explore new trading opportunities. Among the top advantages of Exness MetaTrader 5 are Meta Editor, Meta Quotes Language 5, Hedging System, Charts and Time Frames, Fundamental Analysis, Indicators and Analytical Object Tools. Everyone should test additional features to boost his or her trading experience. What does trade finance mean? Trade finance means financing for trade and refers to both domestic and international trade transactions. A trade requires a seller, a buyer, and various intermediaries, such as banks and financial institutions that facilitate these transactions by financing trade. The foundation of trade finance platforms is blockchain. There are many advantages, especially compared to the traditional model of doing business in this area. What is blockchain? Blockchain is the latest technology, the interest in which has grown along with the popularity of cryptocurrencies. Initially, blockchain technology appeared to put Bitcoin into circulation and was used exceptionally to manage cryptocurrencies. However, since its emergence in 2009, the area of its application has expanded considerably. Today it is widely discussed and used in the world of finance, marketing, computer games, as well as to store and process personal data and identification. Literally, blockchain is a continuous chain of blocks. It is a technology that helps users to store the entire chain of transactions and the current list of owners on their computers. Furthermore, if one or more computers fail, the information will not be lost. Blockchain can be considered the source of truth, because transaction information cannot be hidden, changed or falsified. The status of the transaction is instantly updated and stored after every action done. As a result, it is almost impossible to lose information irrevocably. Blockchain platforms provide rapid access to partner companies around the world and take communication between all participants to the new level. In addition to a common communication environment, platforms provide new opportunities for fast document flow. A process that used to take weeks can now be reduced to a minimum of 1 or 2 days. All indications are that transactions using trade finance tools over blockchain platforms will eventually become the global standard. The reality is that small platforms are leaving the market, while large platforms are investing, growing, and attracting more participants. In the future, the largest participants will be interconnected with each other. As a result, whoever joins them will have access to a huge number of counterparties from around the world. Eventually, the traditional model will disappear completely. After all, if everyone has gone digital and one company hasn't done it, it will be left out in the cold. Even if their offerings are profitable, no one will notice them. Blockchain, how it works. We've collected the main concepts of blockchain and in simple words will help you to understand how this technology works. First of all, we need an asset. It is usually something of value: money, property, information. Assets can exist in the real world as well as they can be completely digital. When people transfer assets to each other, it is called a transaction. The mechanism for confirming the transfer of an asset or rights to an asset is very secure and confidential. In blockchain, the registry of owners is not stored on a single organization's server. Its copies are simultaneously updated on several independent computers. A block is a record in a distributed registry of several transactions. It reflects who, to whom, and when transferred a certain amount of assets. All blocks are sequentially connected in one consecutive chain. Blocks cannot be changed or deleted, only new blocks can be added. In this way, it is always possible to reconstruct the transition history and to know its current owner. Miners store copies of the blockchain, protect information from loss or tampering, confirm and verify transactions that other miners have registered. Everyone can become a miner. Just specialized computers and software needed. Miners get rewards for their work. Usually these are commissions from all participants in transactions and rewards from the network itself. The network generates this reward according to a certain algorithm. Transactors and miners receive transfers on their digital wallets. A digital wallet keeps the entire history of a particular user's transactions. Most often such wallets are anonymous. They do not allow finding out who accepts or sends assets from it. In blockchain networks, the buyer and seller confirm the transaction with a cryptographic key, a unique digital code. It is almost impossible to guess the sequence of characters of a code. The benefits of using blockchain include the low cost of money transfers, the reduction of intermediaries such as banks, and the possibility of electronic identification. Blockchain technology has been identified as one of the ways to combat corruption. In commerce, it is safe to say that blockchain will be useful for confirming transactions occurring remotely, verifying the authenticity of transactions, controlling the supply chain nets. Blockchain technology makes all processes transparent. All things considered, we have a few highlights that demonstrate the benefits of blockchain in trade finance. While investors bought huge amounts of the ProShares Bitcoin futures shares during the opening day, famous crypto bull Cathie Wood was not among them. Speaking at the Milken Institute Global Conference on Tuesday as part of the interview with Bloomberg Media, Wood talked about the ETF's debut and said ARK held off purchasing ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, BITO, citing tax implications. "No, we did not invest. We're looking at this very carefully. There are some tax ramifications we'd like to understand more having to do with contango versus more normal backwardation." Wood was talking about the structure of the forward curve, whereby contango refers to the case whereby the forward price of a futures contract is higher than the spot price. Backwardation is the opposite, when the forward price of the futures contract is lower than the spot price. Bitcoin futures are often in contango. That is a possible reason institutional investors such as ARK took a wait-and-see approach during the launch day of ProShares Bitcoin futures debut on the New York Stock Exchange market. Jeffrey Halley, a senior market analyst at Hoanda, gave some important explanations regarding the impact of contango on futures contracts like the ProShares Bitcoin futures ETF. Longer-dated contracts are more expensive than the front month. That means you lose money rolling expiring contracts into the new front month. They probably want to see an orderly roll with decent two-way liquidity and a shallower contango, he stated in his Wednesday note. As a result, Halley saw a thin trading volume for ProShares Bitcoin futures ETF from institutional investors like ARK Invest on Tuesday. Such institutions did not actively participate in buying Beta shares. Overall, Wood still remains confident in Bitcoin since she started investing in the cryptocurrency believing that it could become as huge as the monetary base of the US, which stood at trillions of dollars. Currently, cryptocurrencies have a market valuation of $2.5 trillion, with Bitcoin holding almost half at $1 trillion. During the interview at the Milken conference, Wood said, "This is the new bank, digital wallet, and it's going to be true in this country. It's going to be true around the world." Wood's investment strategy. Cathie Wood's ARK is a heavy Bitcoin investor. As reported by Blockchain.news in June, Arkansas Invest, the investment company run by longtime Bitcoin bull Wood, applied with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission for an intent to launch an NFT to track Bitcoin futures, but cautioned that it was not likely to proceed until issues revolving tax liabilities for retail investors are resolved with market regulators. Wood has been a longtime proponent of cryptocurrency. She has exposure to the ups and downs of cryptocurrencies through the performance of leveraged stocks like Square and Coinbase and her various innovation-focused ETFs. NFTs have developed into a multi-billion-dollar industry, with art collectors and memorabilia hunters bidding millions of dollars for rarefied digital works and memories of superstars from many fields, including music, art, film, and sports. This sector has sparked a worldwide rush of artists and investors looking to grab a piece of the action. These digital assets are allowing artists and creators to not only earn more money but also to form new connections with their audience. NFTs are about more than just allowing artists to sell their work. Digital tokens are upending a wide range of industries that have long depended on traditional business methods. NFTs are giving things a digital twist in ways that were previously unimaginable. Siacoin is a blockchain NFT project that will assist celebrities, influencers, athletes, musicians, and artists in creating their own collectibles. Siacoin is on a mission to solidify NFTs as an important industry in the blockchain world. The project is building a Japanese-based NFT marketplace that aims to tokenize the works of popular athletes and celebrities. It is designed mostly for those who are active in the times and well-known individuals, as well as entertainers who want to share their photographs, films, and other stuff with the world. Siacoin has established itself as a branded platform that will continue to develop steadily in the near future, as the NFT sector moves closer to widespread mainstream acceptance. To some extent, rarity drives the NFT market. Siacoin will be forming partnerships with well-known athletes and celebrities to help tokenize and monetize the finest moments in their lives and careers, bringing them closer to their fan base. A blockchain project named XRI is working on the development of the Siacoin NFT platform. XRI is a project that intends to deliver decentralized infrastructure to individual internet users in order to act as the nexus between blockchain technology and the world's data. XRI is on a mission to bring enterprise solutions to the data market and also solve many of the impending challenges that have eroded the data industry, and as such XRI will be working with Siacoin to deliver its NFT platform. Almost everyone seems to be following the regular pattern in the issuance of NFT. However, Siacoin is seeking to change the course of things on how NFTs could be valued. Commenting on the uniqueness of the Siacoin NFT marketplace distinctiveness, saying, "We learned from the cryptocurrency system that gold may be circulated without the need to carry banknotes. It marks the start of a new gold standard." Siacoin Japan will collaborate with ARK to create the world's first gold distribution system. As a result, Gold Debit NFT will be available soon. This is a product where you may buy an NFT with Gold Debit, which allows you to add gold value to the NFT in order to keep the NFT and cryptocurrency prices stable. Despite the fact that NFTs are becoming more mainstream, They remain inextricably tied to the crypto ecosystem and hence vulnerable to market volatility. Sakura's invention will bring gold to NFTs, therefore stabilizing the price flow of Sakura NFTs. This may be a game changer for the whole NFT industry and a springboard for new ideas. Sakura is embracing every opportunity to establish itself as a popular choice. Sakura has signed a number of athletes and celebrities, adding to its lists of athletes. This was announced through a blog post. Sakura NFT platform is a platform providing various functions related to NFTs, in which they revealed new information about a great car racer, Imura. The first contract with Imura will almost certainly serve as a springboard for other major partnerships in the future. Imura is a Japanese racing driver. She was the first Japanese woman to win a Formula 3 race. Imura earned the first Japanese Formula 3 Racing Series champion in the series history in 2014. She won the FIA Solar Car Race Suzuka, the Kyojo Cup, and the VCR Vita as well. She competed in Formula Regional Japan, Super 2, and many Challenge Japan in the year 2020. This partnership is the first in what may be a succession of partnerships with world-class athletes, a blockchain-focused community of esports fans, gamers, digital artists, and cryptocurrency activists. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.